Good afternoon, children. So today we are going to solve this question. Before we begin, I want to inform that these questions are being posted in your group for those children who are not being able to attend the classes. I would also recommend to those children to attend the classes because these same questions are being taught in the classroom as well, and there the teacher will also be right in front of you so that you can clarify your doubts. Okay, let's begin. So here it is giving us here in the question it is saying us that this is the pocket allowance of children of a locality. Okay, and this rupees 18 is the mean allowance. Now we have to find the missing frequency f. All right, now look at the table. You can see that daily pocket allowance is given, number of children is given. Daily pocket allowance is in range here. We know that this upper column is our class interval. All right, this is our class interval, and this below column is our fi. You need to remember that if this upper part, if it is in a range like 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, like here it is given, it's called range. Okay, one number to another number, if it is given like that, so it is called range. So if it is given in a range, it is class interval. But if it is giving you a solid number like 7, 6, 9, 13, not here, but in the upper column like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if it is giving you a solid number I am talking about. Okay, so if it is giving you like that, then it is your xi. Okay, don't worry, we will do few problems that are like that. Okay, so don't worry about it. And another thing, that this below column will always be your fi. Okay, now first thing that you need to do is you need to see which formula you are going to apply to this question. Okay, which formula you are going to apply to this question. So I am using fi xi here because it will be easy for me. So I am using fi xi. You can use any formula you want. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do as soon as you get the paper is write the formula behind your answer sheet. Don't write it on the question paper. Okay, write it behind the answer sheet. So what is the formula? It is sum of, or you can say sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Okay, this is your formula. The next thing you are going to do is draw the columns. Okay, I have drawn columns over here. This is my class interval, this is my fi, and xi and fi xi. We need 4 columns for this formula. Remember it. Now, the next step I am going to do is copy the question. Okay, I am not going to do anything. I am just going to copy the question. I have wrote class interval here, entire class interval here, and I have wrote the fi here. I have done nothing except that. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do is, okay, the next step I am going to do is I am going to take out my xi. And how am I going to do that? Very easy. I am going to take out the mid value from class interval. What is between 11 and 13? It is of course 12. So here I am going to write 12. That is my xi. So it is very simple. Whatever the mid value will be there between these two numbers will be your xi. So like here it is 14, here it is 16, then 18, then 20, then 22, then 24. This is my xi. Done. Now I need to take out fi xi. And how am I going to do that? Simple. I am going to multiply fi with xi. I will get my fi xi. Getting? I am going to multiply fi and xi, and I am going to get my fi xi. Alright, so 7 into 12, 84. 6 into 14, 84. 9 into 16, 144. And 18 into 13, 234. But here you can see f into 20. What will it be? Simple, 20 f. One point here I am going to say is always remember, if there is no sign in between this, if there is no plus sign, minus sign or division sign between two numbers, okay, between two numbers or two variables. What are variables? Variables are those that variables are the alphabet used in maths. Like we use A, B, C, D, whichever alphabet it may be. The alphabet which we are using in math is called as variables. Okay. So between any two variables or any number and variable, if you are not having plus sign, minus sign or division sign also, then you need to remember that it is in multiplication. Okay, multiplication we will not put into sign. We'll just write fi xi. Together we will write it. getting like 20 and f. They are in multiplication. We are not writing 20 into f. We are writing 20f. That means it is 20 into f. But we will not write it like this. We will just write it 20f. Okay? Okay. Now, 5 22s are 110 and 4 24s are 96. Done. Now the next step, add this entire f5. We have to add this f5. Okay, if we add the f5, you will see we will get 44. But I am not adding f here. Okay, I am not adding my f here. Just keep a finger on the f and add all the numbers. Okay, except f, add all the numbers. 7 plus 6 plus 9 plus 13 plus 5 plus 4. You will get 44. But we are having f also, right? Then what should I do? It can't be added, and we cannot write here 44f. Remember it. If you are writing 44f, it will become wrong. Okay. I will not be writing 44f. 44f, if I will write, that will mean that these two are in multiplication. But we are not multiplying it. We are adding it. That means I am going to add plus sign here. Plus f. Getting it? Except f, first I added all the numbers. Then I wrote plus f because we don't know what f could be, right? And if anyone is writing 44f, that will be wrong. Because if there is no sign in between, that means it is in multiplication. But if you are showing that it is in addition, subtraction or division, then you have to add a sign. Okay, always remember that. Now add these. If you will add these, what the answer you would be getting? You will be getting 752. How? I am not adding 20f here. Okay, here I am not adding, like how I was not adding f here. Likewise, I am not adding 20f here. Leaving 20f, I will be adding all. Now you will be saying, ma'am, why can't we add 20 and just write like plus f? No, that is wrong because these are in multiplication. Now they became 1. You cannot separate them. Okay, they became 1. Now wherever you take them, you have to take them together. You cannot separate them. Remember this point. Okay, so add all the numbers here except 20f. 84 plus 144 plus 234 plus 110 plus 96. You will be getting 752. Then separately write 20f plus 20f. Okay, now we have got everything that we needed. We wanted fi, we wanted fi(xi), we have got, right? Sum of fi(xi), sum of fi. Now just put them in the formula. 752 plus 20f by 44 plus f. Here one more thing. Here it was saying that our mean pocket allowance, mean is given in the question. What is our mean here? Our mean is 18. So this is our mean. Okay, this x bar means mean. So write mean. Okay, I am writing mean here. That is 18 equals to 752 plus 20 f by 44 plus f. Okay, till here everything is clear. I did nothing. I have just put this in the formula. 752 plus 20f is our f total, sum of fi(xi). I have put it. This 44 plus f is our total fi. I have put it in there. And this means mean. Okay, and mean is given in the question here itself. So I have just put it in the place of mean. Now we have to just simplify it. Now how do we simplify it? Look carefully. We cannot add 752 plus 20f. We cannot add 44 plus f. What I can do is, I will be taking my 44 plus f to that side of the equals to. You need to remember that here there are two sides of equals to. Okay, this is our left side, this is our right side, and they both are mirror images. For suppose if here any number is in plus, then here it will become the same number. If it is taken this side, it will become minus. Okay, if any number here is in division, it will be if we will take the same number over that side, it will become in multiplication. In mirror, you see now that in some mirrors, if we raise our right hand, you will see that our left hand will be raised over there, right? Like that, if we are taking 44 plus f, which is down, okay, if we take it that side of the equals to, it will come up. Okay, here it is in division, there it will become in multiplication. Okay, remember this, very important point. Done. This 752 plus 20f will be same, no changes will be made. Next is, we will multiply this 18 into 44. What will be the answer? Let me show you here. Look, I am multiplying my 44 with 18. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. Same. You will be getting 792. Okay, so this 18 is in multiplication with 44 also, and is in multiplication with f also. Okay, you need to remember this bracket means multiplication, so it is in multiplication with 44 as well as f. So 792 is correct. We are multiplying 18 with 44, but we are also multiplying 18 with f, so it will become 18f. Okay, then see, we are writing it as it is, we are not changing anything here. Okay, 752 plus 20f. Till here everything is clear. Now till here we did 792 plus 18f equals to 752 plus 20f, right? Now the next step is that we are going to take same numbers on the same side. We are going to group them. Okay, like, so I will be taking 792 and 752 on one side, and I will be taking 20f and 18f on one side, because they are same and these two are same, right? So whatever will be same, we are going to take them on one side. So 792, I will keep it here. Whichever is the smaller number, you will take that towards this side. Okay, or you can take anything, just remember that you are going to take it on one side. I am going to take 752 there. So if it is here in plus, okay, remember if there is no sign, that means it is in addition. So if here the 752 is in addition, then if we will take 752 there, it will become in minus. Okay, it will become in minus. So 7 minus 752 equals to, here 20f, we'll give 20f here. Okay, we have already taken 752 from this side now, so now we cannot take anything from this side. Now we have to take one number from this side to that side. Okay, so I'll be taking my 18f there. Okay, I'll be taking my 18f this side, so I'll be getting minus 18f, because here 18f was in plus, so it will become in minus. Now the next step is, now just subtract 792 from 752. What will you get? We will get 40. Now 20f minus 18f, you will get 2f. Now here we have to find f now. So leaving f, we will take everything that side. Everything means 2 is with f, right? So we will take 2 that side. Okay, so here it is in multiplication, into. So that side it will become in division. Or remember like this, if it is here up, then it will come down here. So 40 by 2 equals to f. Then simplification, this means it comes in 2 table. 2 1s are 2. Then 2 2s are 4. And the 0 will be same. So here the f value equals to 20. Then we got our answer. F equals to 20 is our answer.